So really easy way to get into 3D scanning is downloading the Polycam app on your phone. It works on Android and iOS. It works a little bit better on iOS, but Android still works. So I have an Android. Don't blame me in the comments. So download the app, open the app. It will prompt you with some things like logging in or signing up or something like that. Just do it. You come to a screen where you can grab your video camera or your photo camera. Choose your video camera. It's much easier. Pictures work better, but video works easier. Then find a spot on an overcast day and find something you want to scan, preferably something without any shadows. That's why you choose an overcast day. If the shadows are visible on the objects, it's not good because it will end up in your final render. It will end up in your textures, and you don't want that because you only want shadows when you are adding lights. But when you have the app open, do some laps around your objects with your phone at like hip height, knee height, shoulder height, and do a lap around it at those levels. And then one final thing over the top of it, don't forget to scan in the crevices. Just keep your camera really slow, don't move it too much, keep it really steady. That's for the best results you can possibly get. And then when you have it scanned in Polycam, you can go upload it. And I chose RAW. I rarely choose optimized. I just choose RAW because I want the full quality of the model. So upload it, it will process, it will do everything itself. You get a couple free scans per thing you do. You can upload something and you get some points. You can like some models and you can get some points. So you get some free points in the beginning. Or you can get a subscription, and if Polycam wants to sponsor me, hit me up. I will make a follow-up video where I actually show you how to scan in the real world. But right now I'm just explaining it. So once you have made a lap or 3 around your objects, just let it process in the app. And when you come back, you can go to the site on your PC, which I have right here. You can see the model here. Perfect. This is the model I scanned. You can go to export, and you only have the option of GLTF, which if you want the other things, you can go by Pro, but GLTF works fine now. So start the download and then go to Blender. When you have it downloaded in Blender, go to File, Import GLTF2, go to wherever you downloaded it, double click on it, and it will be imported into your scene. Delete the rest, and this is the model. This is the wireframe. This is the 3D scan in all of its glory, with the textures already attached, so you don't have to do anything. And right now you can just go to edit mode, or like X-ray mode, press W once, you get this circle select, and delete some things you don't want, mask around the objects, something like that, you know. It's keeping it pretty clean. Something you would probably want to do is select everything and merge by distance. There are some things that maybe are not connected, and then just delete everything. And then you're left with a model which I did not properly mask out, but it does the job for this video. This is just a really easy explanation of how to 3D scan for free on an Android. With this model you can go into rendered view, add some lights, and this is why you don't want shadows on your model, because if there were shadows in this direction, it would look really weird if you had shadows from that direction. You can use these raw scans for crazy high detail in close-up environments. Like this looks pretty real because it's a real object. This looks pretty realistic as it is. But if you want some shots farther away, you can select your model, go to add a modifier and add a decimate, and if you go to the wireframe right here, you can see all the cracks. But if you just measure by distance, you can decimate this, and it looks, why does it look so weird? Just add a decimate modifier and decrease the ratio. You see you get a low quality model. where you can bake all the high resolution textures on. So from a distance it looks the same. I would do something like this. 0.15 or 0.2, something like that. And it looks pretty much the same as the full quality model. Some things you have to give up, but it's just for the background. And that was the video. So if you like, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Check out my Gumroad. Some free things there. They're really cool. I'll probably post these 3D scans there as well, so you can get them for free. And yeah, that's it for me.